What I wish I knew about camera presence when I started at 40. This is for you, late bloomers. Speaking to a camera can feel cringy, especially when you're over 40 and just starting out. But guess what? You don't need to be a natural performer to shine on video. Here are 5 practical tips to help you look and feel more natural on camera. First, know why it feels weird. Talking to a lens is different from chatting with a friend. Acknowledge that it's okay to feel awkward. Second, eye contact is key. Imagine the lens as a friend's eye. It makes your content feel more personal. Third, stop overthinking. Be yourself. Authenticity trumps perfection every time. Fourth, mind your body language. Small adjustments like standing tall and using hand gestures can make a huge difference. And fifth, my own experience. Practice, practice, practice. I've been there and trust me, it gets easier. Bonus tip? Smile. It's contagious and makes you relatable. Ready to ditch the cringe and own your camera presence? Hit that subscribe button for more tips and let's conquer this together.